softly blow. A boy of Ephesus heritage, with a heart ready to go. Left the hibiscus and the palm trees and the heat of the Fiji sun, to trade the Zulu for a uniform before his life had quite begun. From the Pacific to the highlands, a journey long and far, following the guidance beneath a different star. In the midst above the heather, where the winter air bites cold, an infantryman in Scotland with a story to be told. Oh. He landed in the drizzle, far from the coral reef. The drill square at the Vimy Barracks garrison brought a different kind of grief. Boot polish and the rifle oil, the left right in the rain, building steel within the spirit through the discipline and pain. He carries Fiji in his laughter, he feeds us in his name. But the Scottish regiment's colours now fan is in a flame. A world away from carver bowls and the village quiet hum, to the skirl of the bagpipes and the beating of the drum. From the Pacific to the highlands, a journey long and far, following the guidance beneath a different star. An infantryman in Scotland, standing steady, standing bold, with the spirit of the islands in a heart of British gold. Yeah, yeah. Oh. Far from the blue lagoons, under a sky of slate and grey, the soldier stands his sentry post, a long